In Creo Parametric 9.0, select from parents is now select related, and it's also a tree. And this goes back to Creo Parametric 4.0 when the selection algorithm changed. Starting in Creo 4.0, selection is now geometry based. It used to be that if you were in a part and you selected something, it would select a feature. If you were in an assembly like I am right now, you would select a component. But here I have my model as I select this edge. In the mini toolbar, you have a drop-down list, and now this is select related. You can see that the current object is a shell, and then we can see the body that it's related to, and the part that it's in, and the subassembly that that part is in, and the top level assembly. So that's how you can select different things. Now I said that this is also a tree. What I mean by that, if you take a look, there's now this pin icon in the select related dialog box. Let me click on that, and you can see that this is now a tree docked right next to the model tree. And you have an icon here that you can use to hide it if you no longer want to see it. And there is an icon in the model tree if you want to bring it back open. So let me select one other object in here. So let me grab this surface. And when I click on it, now the surface is the current object and it is in a pattern. You can see the body and the part that it's in and the subassembly and the top level assembly. Now let me jump over to a part in order to show you how it's a little different in part mode. So now I am in a part from that assembly. Let me select the very same surface. I will left click on it, and here we have the select related. And if I go into here, you can see if I scroll down, we have the children as well. So we've got the direct children, we've got the current object, and if I scroll up, here we have the direct parents. You can see the datum planes and a draft feature, and then we have the body that contains it and the part itself. And so a little more information you get in part mode when you do it. Let me go back to displaying that. Again, you can do it from the pin icon or you can do it from the select related icon. Let me grab this and make it a little bit wider. So I will select on another entity, and here we have the transform surface. It has a bunch of children and the parents and the body and the part that owns it. In the tree mode, you have the ability to expand all and also collapse all. And then there's this button over here for system references. System references are the indirect parents and children. In this particular situation, that surface didn't have any. Let me see if I can grab a surface that does have it. And you'll notice when I left click on an object inside of the graphics area, it automatically made that the current object. Let me see if I click on this. One object went away from the list down at the bottom. Let me click on it again. So it ended up making a slight difference to it. System references are stuff that's needed because of topology to be considered a child or a parent. But anyhow, that is the button for toggling the system references on and off. And when you have the select related dialog box over here, you can grab it and drag it off, and you can make it its own free floating window if you want to. Then you can use this icon to dock it back into the tree. And so, like I mentioned, if you select something in the graphics area, it automatically makes that the current object, and you can see its parents and children. But if you select something from inside of the list, it's going to highlight it in the graphics area, but it's going to keep the current object as the current object. If you want something from the list to be the current object, you can click on it, and then in the mini toolbar, this icon will allow you to set as current. And then if you want to go through your previous selections, you can use the forward and the back keys out of there. And so this select related reminds me a lot of the old info parent-child dialog box. If you were a pro engineer or a Wildfire user, you might remember that. Then it got a big upgrade and it became the reference viewer, and there's a lot more information in the reference viewer, but this is a way of understanding your design intent and the parent-child relationships in your model. And again, you can use that as a tree, or you can use it right from the mini toolbar. And so there you have it, select related in Creo Parametric 9.0.